A head test is very similar to an HTTP test, but with one important difference. Instead of downloading the full page content, it only checks the response headers returned by the server. This makes it faster and lighter, while still confirming that the endpoint is reachable. First thing you'll want to do is enter the web address that you wish to monitor. As always, I'd recommend monitoring pages that actually matter to users. That could be your homepage, a login page, or another important endpoint. For this example, I'm just going to monitor StatusCake.com. Next, we're going to want to give our test a clear name. This is how it will appear in your dashboard and alerts, so choose something you'll recognize later, especially if you're running multiple tests. Now let's look at the check rate. This controls how often the test runs. For most websites, a 5-minute rate is a good balance between fast detection and reducing alert noise. You can monitor more frequently if the page is business critical, but more frequent checks can increase noise. Next, we need to choose our monitoring region. A good rule of thumb here is to monitor from regions that match where your users are actually located. StatusCake itself is hosted in the UK, so for most UK-based services, starting with a UK monitoring location makes a lot of sense. If your users are based in other regions, you should choose locations that reflect that instead. Just below that, you'll see confirmation servers. These help reduce false positives by confirming an outage from multiple locations before alerting you. For most setups, using 2 or 3 confirmation servers gives you a good balance between accuracy and speed. Next, select your contact group. This controls who gets alerted when your test goes down. If you've already set up contact groups with multiple alert channels, make sure the correct one is selected here. You'll also see the option to enable an alert delay. This allows short outages to be logged without alerting you immediately, which can significantly reduce noise for some teams. Whether you use it or not depends on how sensitive you want alerts to be. Once everything looks good, scroll down to the bottom and click Create Test. Your head to uptime test is now live and running. To recap, a head test checks response headers only. It's faster and lighter than a full HTTP test, but it won't validate page content. It's a great option when you want reliable availability monitoring without downloading full pages every time.